Hi, I'm Kimbia. I have helped out thousands of Squarespace customers as they build their audience with our all-in-one suite of products, and today, I'm going to help you do the same. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business, or a content creator, your goal is to build up your customer base and maintain your audience, all while creating your brand. A great way to achieve this is incentivizing your audience to sign up for your mailing list, helping you stay on their radar as much as possible. So let's jump right into it. Offering a discount to anyone who signs up for your mailing list is a great way to motivate new subscribers. Offering a free digital download or exclusive content is another way, but we'll focus on offering a discount in this video. First, you'll navigate to the part of your site where you'd like to collect subscribers. In the drop-down menu, add the newsletter block. Then fill out the title and the description that mentions the discount they'll receive when they sign up. Now you're ready to set up the promised promotion code. Add the name of the promotion and set the percentage of the discount. Now that your discount is set up, it's time to deliver it. With Squarespace email campaigns, you can send your promised promo code to anyone who signs up for your mailing list by setting up an email automation. Select automation as your campaign's type, and create an email that welcomes new subscribers with the discount code you just created. Squarespace has an array of tools just like these that are already available to our customers, with even more on the way. Stay tuned for updates on how you can focus on your business, brand, and audience with Squarespace's all-in-one suite of products. And remember, you've got this.